nature. We should not cut down the trees. Mother's nature. We shall live around here. Mother's nature. To realize this world is worth Mother Nature. Don't know what to do, don't know what to think. Makes me crazy, it is mental life. I'm scared for the future, don't know what to think. It's nothing so easy, we just want to try. We just have to try. We just have to try. Shall learn about the earth. Hello, shake well out today. Mother's nature. We will put our efforts in Mother's nature. We shall learn about the earth, Mother's nature. To realize what is worth Mother's nature. Don't know what to do, have to fast, makes me crazy. Even just say goodbye, I'm scared for the future, and the time is being fast. We try to learn about how. Try. We just have to try. Sing with me and be free. Sing with me and be free. Stop the world from falling apart. Stop the world from falling apart. We can make a brand new start. We can make a brand new start. If we try, we'll love to see. If we try, we'll love to see. And stop the rising of the sea. And stop the rising of the sea. We just have to try. 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 We just have to
Who wants to write a song about the earth and all the things about the earth, looking after the earth and nature?
Yep.
Is there one that would?
Don't know what to do, don't know what to think. Makes me crazy, they just let it go by. We're making a music video with different instruments and singings with people that speak multilingual, different languages, and we're also like having fun and dancing. And it's going to be like a big YouTube video, basically like that, yeah.
What's the song going to be about?
And how trees give us oxygen, basically, and how gas is polluting the air, so we can't breathe. The environment's being ruined because of global warming, people throwing plastic into the ocean, and people just like wasting things. So we're writing a song about the environment and why it's important. And some of the ideas are like we need to learn about the earth and what it's worth, and we also like need to save the trees and stuff like that. Yeah.
And plant the trees. It's important to me because about when I'm the age 50, 30, our planet's going to be polluted with different types of stuff. And at school, I'm actually learning about earth ethics and fast fashion. Fast fashion is like where we just wear our clothes, then they wore out, and then we don't know where they're taking them. They might just go to like a type of shop, they re-clothes and they recycle clothes, but it actually ends up in the landfill. We actually went on a school walk around Clifton Street and we did a tally chart. So we saw bottles, plastic bags, we saw cigarettes on the floor, but then our teacher said we can help also pick up the dirt. So our teacher was holding a bin bag on the side. So we stopped by Alibaba to go pick up all the stuff on the floor and make the roads more cleaner. Don't know what to do, don't know what to think. Makes me crazy. This is I'm scared for the future. Don't know what to think. It's us and so lazy, we just want to try. We were singing what the earth is worth, why it's beautiful, it's creative, it's beautiful, because other planets don't really have flowers, trees, all there is dust and just no air. So if this world becomes one of those planets, we would all be extinct and die.
Yeah.
When
did you learn your incredible dance moves from?
We learned it from Uncle Mujib. So we were doing like Congo, we were doing Nigeria, I forgot the other one. So that inspired me to dance, sing and make melodies and tunes.
I started playing the violin when I was 6 and I've been playing it for 5 years. So normally I play when I play for the violin for you, I normally improvise and that's really fun. I like improvising. And I think I'm good at it, so yeah.
I was the young one. I think you're gonna have the best one. Ah, okay. On the floor as well. Really good.
me feel energetic, and I think I'm having fun, and like I feel happy to be dancing with my friends.
And what about your brothers here?
Yeah, having my brother is here. It feels like we're like really synchronized. I don't know if that's some brother telepathy or something, but yeah. I love it. I love it.
We should not pollute the sea. We should not cut down the trees.
I always wanted to help out other countries and travel the world and build like hospitals and things, but I couldn't because I'm too young and I'm only 9.
I was a bit shy, but also I had to sing because she chose me.
She was amazing.
Yeah. So my dream was actually become a dancer, singer, doctor, lawyer. I want to be everything around the world, like help build practices. I want to be a judge. I want to help people, like poor people. I want to help people build houses, do anything they need. We just have to try.
I hope they're going to take our message to help around the earth. And I'm just saying because maybe they have a favorite animal, but that animal species is lowering down because of our pollution and global warming. So if people like polar bears, I can accept that. But then if they pollute, they're really not saving polar bears because their ice caps are melting right now and lots of polar bear species are dying. And I don't think that's acceptable. We're sending a message that actually helps out to the world with different people from around the world, not just one person.
So I hope they notice me playing the violin, of course. That firstly. I also hope they notice like the thought that we've put into the videos and like and how hard we've worked on it. I hope they also notice our nice dance moves with Mujib. And stuff, things like that. All the little things that are really important to the video.
All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All the little things that are really important to the video. All